Hello, I will present our cross-project Digitizing the Dualism Debate, a case study in the computational analysis of historical music theory sources. The collaborators of this project have a very interdisciplinary background, ranging from musicology and music theory to mathematics and natural language processing, and thus perfectly fit into this year's cross-theme, Digital Humanities. The topic of our project concerns a central debate in German 19th century music theory, namely the so-called dualism debate or debate about harmonic dualism. Without going into too much detail here, this debate circles around the question of what the relation is between major and minor triads, major and minor scales, or major and minor keys. This diagram shows, for example, a graphical model for a symmetric or dualist relation between major and minor triads, here shown by these colored triangles. So the dualism debate concerns very fundamental music theoretical notions, that of triads, scales, and keys. So it's not very surprising that this debate was sometimes held very passionately, and some authors attacked others in their texts. And the main question that we address in our project was whether we can use computational methods kind of to see traces of this debate in the sources by applying computational methods. The project is structured in 4 basic stages. In the first stage, we collected the text by collating some PDFs from several resources, such as libraries, online repositories, and so on. And in the pre-processing step, we used the tool Transcribus to segment the text in order to distinguish, for example, between textual and graphical regions. In the next step, the text was automatically extracted using OCR and then manually corrected. We also developed a small vocabulary of labels to annotate specific concepts in the text. We then export these texts in order to use them for our computational analysis, for example, topic modeling or network analysis. Finally, the extracted and corrected texts will be displayed online on our project website to allow music theorists to explore them themselves, and we will also publish the results of the computational analysis in journal publications. At this moment, large parts of the project pipeline have already been concluded. The segmentation and transcription of 10 core texts is already finalized, resulting in approximately 1,200 pages. This, of course, also allowed us to refine our project pipeline and make some adaptations. We also already conducted some preliminary analysis on these texts, specifically on text similarity and topic modeling, which we submitted then to the Computational Humanities Research Conference. So just to give you an impression of where we are at the moment, applying text similarity measures to the whole corpus, we were able to find 3 clusters between these texts that roughly correspond also to the historical adjacency of these texts. And using topic modeling, we were able to extract some very musically relevant themes. For example, this topic here, and shown in black, shows very high names of many tones, and another topic, for example, represents metrical concepts such as metrum, metrische form, etc. In the following, we will continue to work with these texts. We will add some annotations to them. We will also transcribe the musical examples in those texts, and we will present those texts publicly on our project websites once they are proofread. The results of our analysis will be published in some appropriate journals. And we hope that with this little project, we can provide a showcase that using techniques and methods from the digital humanities is very useful also for music theory and might inspire others to continue in this direction. Thank you very much.